Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video I'm going to reveal step-by-step how to make a full-time income online with high-ticket affiliate marketing in 2022. Now, I'm very excited for this video specifically because this method that I'm going to reveal will work for you even if you are someone who is completely brand new, if you are someone that is not technical, and especially if you are someone that hates selling with a passion. I know for a fact this method that I'm going to reveal can be an absolute game changer if you of course take action on it. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is a member right here by the name of Romany, who recently made a $2,000 commission using the exact method that I'm going to reveal with you in this video. We have other members right here by the name Nate Lawrence, who earned a $5,000 commission from one single sale, and he also recently made a $2,000 commission around the same time as well. So just from two sales alone, this is $7,000 that he made from two sales. We have another member here by the name of John Davis, who also just recently earned $7K from two sales that he made with this exact program right here, or this exact method. Now, let me ask you this question real quick. If you could just get just one of these every single month, do you feel like that would make a difference in your life? Do you feel like that would allow you to perhaps give you more free time? Maybe you are someone that wants to take your family out to a nice restaurant, every now and then, or maybe you want to spend more time traveling. Maybe you want to have just more time with the family, or maybe you are someone that wants to go full-time online and not have to worry about waking up to an alarm clock anymore. So regardless of what your goal is, I know for a fact this method can be an absolute game changer for you, and there are tons of members, tons of newbies that are getting phenomenal results with this exact method right here. As you can see, I can go on and on right here all day, but I think you pretty much get the idea. So in this video specifically, I'm going to go over why high ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to start, exactly why it's the best way to make money online. I'm going to reveal how to find a high converting offer. I'm also going to talk about how to attract buyer leads, in other words, quality traffic, quality visitors over to whatever it is that you're promoting online. I'm going to reveal how to convert those leads into buyers, and of course, I will talk about how to earn commissions online. So let's go ahead and let's dive right in. So why high ticket affiliate marketing? So first and foremost, I'm going to assume that if you're on this video right now, you've probably seen, marketplaces like ClickBank or Digistore24 or JBZoo or Warrior Plus or any of these other ones out there. There's plenty of tutorials on there on YouTube about how to make $100 a day on ClickBank or how to promote Digistore24 products, right? So you've probably seen a lot of these tutorial videos, I assume, or if not, typically what they teach is, okay, find a product on, one of these marketplaces and get your fill link and then just go on social media and promote that link on there. Just, start pasting it on different, forums and all that, right? And so I want to talk about real quick why a lot of people struggle with this and why most people just don't really hit their income goal. Well, number one is that they're promoting low ticket products. So if you are promoting products that are generally around $100, which is what most products on these marketplaces are, if your income goal is, let's say, $5,000 a month, well, you need quite a bit of volume in order for you to really hit that specific threshold. Now, if you're promoting a high ticket product like this one, on the other hand, that allows you to generate up to 5K from one sale, well, in this case, you only need one referral per month in order for you to hit that income goal, which is why, number one, this is the number one reason why high ticket affiliate marketing is really a much easier way to start to generate full-time income online. And the other reason why a lot of people struggle with this traditional affiliate marketing model is that when you go out there and you promote ClickBank products or Digistore24 products, typically there's a lot of, stuff that you have to build yourself. Like you got to build your own funnel, you got to build your own capture page, you got to record your own sales video, write your own emails and all this other stuff. Whereas with a lot of high ticket programs, a lot of these higher ticket programs like the one that I'm going to reveal pretty much set all this up for you. So with this specific method that I'm going to reveal, the benefit is you don't have to worry about, creating anything fancy yourself. You don't have to worry about putting together, your own specific website, or you don't have to worry about getting on the phone with people. You don't have to worry about writing emails or anything complex along those lines. The only thing that you really have to learn is how to promote on social media, which I assume you at least know to some extent. And even if you don't, then this program also provides training on how to do that as well. So at any point in this video, if you want to, of course, learn more about how to generate a full-time income online, there's actually a free training you could check out. So I've included that in the first link down below. And all you have to do to get access to this is simply click the button right here, enter your name, your best email, and that will give you access to the free training that will go much more in detail about how you can create a full-time income online. Now, let's also talk about how to find a high converting offer, right? Because, you could find any sort of high ticket affiliate program. You could go on Google and you could search up high ticket affiliate programs for 2022. And, there's tons of different options you could simply look into. But what I recommend is not only do you want to find something that pays out high ticket commissions, but what you also want to look for is one that allows you to generate commissions very easily, right? If you're someone that is brand new and let's say that you're not really too good with sales or, selling online or marketing online, what you ideally want to do is you want to start by plugging into a system that is proven to work for newbies. Now, the benefit with this exact program that these members right here are leveraging is not only is it allowing them to generate high ticket commissions online, but also what this specific program provides is an already set up system that you can simply leverage, and you don't have to worry about building any of this yourself. This right here is fully set up for you when you, of course, decide to plug into the exact program that these members right here are using. So the benefit with this is that you are given a done for you capture page, a done for you thank you page, or bridge page as it's mostly called. You also get to leverage a free Facebook group that you could simply provide to people that of course go through the funnel, which of course helps to warm them up, get them qualified, and gets them interested in, of course, checking out the exact program. And then, of course, by the time that they decide to book a call, so they, get to book a one-on-one coaching session. And the benefit with this is that the coaches in here actually close the sales for you on your behalf. So again, you don't have to worry about doing any of this fancy stuff yourself because all of this is set up for you. And the only thing you have to worry about is simply getting eyeballs over to your capture page right here. And the more traffic, the more visitors you get to your capture page, the more people that you get to simply go in and enter their name and email, then that is more potential sales that you'll get on the back end, right? So once you get, traffic coming in the door and you got people, requesting access to the free training, then this system right here takes care of everything else on the back end, which is really why this is working so well for people who are brand new. So if you're someone who is, brand new, or maybe if you've been trying this for quite some time, you're not really getting the results that you want. And especially if you're someone that, let's say, has a full-time job, you're working 40 hours a week, the reason why you're probably not hitting your income goal is probably because you don't have a proven system like this in place that is helping you convert sales in the back end. And that is exactly what is separating newbies that are getting phenomenal results versus those who may have been doing this for a while and not really getting the results that they're looking for, right? So this right here, if you want to get access to this exact system, and if you of course want to leverage exactly what these members are using, you can visit the first link down below and you could check out their free training that shows you how to get started with this, right? So of course I also want to talk about how to attract buyer leads, how to drive traffic online. And the benefit with this is, like I said, the only thing you really have to worry about is simply getting eyeballs to the capture page. So if you know how to use Facebook, if you know how to use TikTok, if you know how to use Instagram or Pinterest or any other social media platform out there, you could do incredibly well with this, because that's really the only thing that you really need is how to simply grow an audience on any of these platforms. So for example, Facebook, for example, you could simply go on here, you could search for Facebook groups that are in your specific niche. So for example, if you're in the make money online or online business niche, you could just search this up in the search bar, and here you'll find a list of groups that you could join that have, say 13K members, 171K members, and you could join any of these groups, right here. And inside of these groups, what you could do is you can go over to the members section and you could start adding people. So you simply want to go through here, you want to find people that, are in top tier countries. And, the best way that I find to start is simply go to the section that says members with things in common. And here you'll find tons of people that you could simply add, and you could build a following this way, right? So as you, of course, start to add friends and you start to find people that are, of course, active in these groups, what you could do is you could start creating content on your Facebook profile, where you, of course, start by, sharing a bit about yourself, about your story. And as you, of course, post content consistently that is in, specific to your niche, you can give call to actions here and there, where you could, of course, ask someone to either comment down below or message you. And as they do this, you could present them with your link to the specific program that you're promoting. So in this case, if you're leveraging the system, you would send them the link to your capture page where they could, of course, get access. And then once you, of course, get them to enter their email, then that will pretty much take them through the entire process. And then they, of course, decide for themselves, whether or not they want to take it up on high ticket offer right here, right? So the more consistent that you are with this, with building up your following on social media, whether that's via Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform that you are good with, then that ideally means the more potential sales for you in the long term, right? So of course, if you want to dive deeper in this, again, you could check out the training down below, but let's also talk about how to convert those leads into buyers, right? So again, you could be generating tons of leads, but if you're not converting them on the back end, then it doesn't really matter that much, right? So of course, like I mentioned, having a system like this in place is very important, because not only is it allowing you to simply leverage what's working, but as you start to generate leads in the door, what you could also focus on is learning these other skills as you're, of course, leveraging what works, right? Now, with this exact system right here, you have follow-up emails that go out on your behalf. You also have a free training you can give to your members. And so ideally, what you want to focus on more in the back end is you want to have a series of follow-up emails that go out on your behalf, right? So the system actually provides that for you. And not only that, they also have a free Facebook group and training that you can simply plug in your members to as well. And then from here, what happens is they can book a call with one of the coaches, and one of the coaches will actually convert them for you into an actual buyer simply by presenting, what their high ticket offer is, right? So once they present that and your lead decides to buy into that program, then that is where you, of course, generate the high ticket 2K to 5K commissions that you see, like what I showed earlier, right? So like I mentioned, this right here is really the best way to start high ticket affiliate marketing online, especially if you're someone who's brand new, because this method right here is allowing tons of people who are completely brand new to generate these massive commissions online. So again, if you want to learn more about how this works yourself, all you have to do is simply click the first link down below. That will give you access to the free training right here that'll show you exactly how to generate high ticket commissions online, especially if you're someone who's not good at selling. So anyways, go ahead, click the first link down below, request access to this free training. And once you request access to this, what I also recommend that you do is I'm going to include another link down below where you could actually message me directly on Facebook Messenger. And then from here, you could simply send me a message, let me know that you requested access to the training. And then from there, I will, of course, get them to approve you in much sooner. And of course, at the same time, you could also, if you need any additional help or support, feel free to ask me a question in Facebook Messenger if you need any additional help. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. I think I mentioned that, but anyways, yeah, check it out down below, and I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.